And welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Coach Yoann. It's been a while. I feel like I haven't recorded myself just because I haven't been trading. I tried to trade 2-3 times this week and I couldn't get filled, so I didn't want to chase anything. I ended up just being on the sideline and watching. Pretty upset because I missed on a couple grand here and there. So anyway, today we are, what are we today? We are November 16th, 2022. And I am proud to announce that this is the most amount of money I made in the shortest amount of time. So now don't be crazy. It's not like, hundreds of thousands of dollars at all, but it is pretty cool to see that I made that amount in 1 minute and less. So let me show you how. This is SPX on a 5 minute here, as you can see. I was again, like watching this all day and I'm like, we're just going sideways here. I mean, if you look at the 15-30 minutes, this is 30 minutes. To me, this is completely sideways, right? It's stuck in a range. I don't want to be stuck in that because that's my flaw, right? When I get stuck in that, I just basically mess up my account big time because we're not going anywhere. So this is what's happening here, right? And then on a 5 minutes, so actually let's take a look at this. Obviously we're in downtrend all day, right? And then going sideways and going lower here. And I saw this on the left side here, which is yesterday and the day prior. We basically flushed down here at the end of Monday, and then Tuesday we flushed down again. And if you look, we kind of like stop at the same area, right? Here, let's draw this over here. All right, so over here, right? So we kind of like enter here and then bounce, boom, right? That was PPI numbers actually. Which, by the way, if you ask my opinion, is not PPI were not like amazing. It's just that in a shitty situation, they are less shitty. So numbers are less shitty. So market loves anything that is less shitty in a bear market to have a huge run up. So that's what happened here, gap. Then I was actually about to, I put 5 contracts in here and I didn't get filled. I was so mad. I missed, on $4,400 here. I was really upset. It is what it is. So I sat on the sideline. Anyway, and then this is today. So what happened here is that I look on the left here from the prior day and yesterday, I see that we flush down here and then reverse up. We flush down here and then a huge buy program coming in. Same thing here. Boom, we touch it, huge buy program. We touch it, huge buy program. So I actually wanted to enter right here. Let's go on a 5 minute, it will be clearer. Perfect. Okay. So I actually wanted to enter it right here to go long, right? We break on the 90 MA. I'm like, you know what? We're going to go higher. And then I waited patiently. And then this happened out of nowhere. When that happened so fast, so quick, I'm like, there was something here. I'm entering. So what happened was, I think we just entered the demand zone, obviously, right? Call it demand zone, call it buy zone, call it whatever you want to call it. I call this a demand zone to me. So why? Because demand is here. Algo are programmed to go in. I think that's the way I see the market, right? I might be completely wrong, but and eventually they're gonna bounce it back up. So I entered right here and I entered heavy. I decided to go with the 39.85 at 75 cents when like a couple of minutes back. This is live, by the way, but I took my trade about 10 minutes ago now. So, those were at 75 cents for the call here. And so I think they went down just because people put their stop loss here. All those guys that were long already or maybe adding more, thinking that we're going to explode up. They wanted to basically have a huge stop loss hunt here and boom, like clear everybody up and then reverse it completely. When I saw that happen, I'm like, I'm gonna enter. I don't care. Even if it goes lower, I'm taking a risk because this wasn't happening yet, right? So I saw that went down. This one went down here, and I'm like, we're still weak here, right? To go way lower. We could have gone lower and start to do something like that, but I don't know. My guts, my feeling is watching the price action all day. I'm like, I need to enter this in and out really quickly. So I enter with 10 contract here at 75 cents. I pay $750 and some change for the fees and all that. And then that exploded up. When that exploded, I went from 75 cents to 125. I started to sell right away. I had 10 contracts. I sold 5 here. I'm like, I'm gonna wait for 5. Actually, I sold 5 here. And I said, I'm gonna wait for 5 more if I can, get a little bit more money. And then it started to go down. Like, I don't care. I'm so far out of the money. First of all, I like to do the round number, 39.90, 39.80, never 39.95. But I was like, you know what? I'm below $1. Let's do it. And so I sold 5 here. Then it went back down. I sold 5 others here. Done. Thank you very much. Bye. Then bullshit happened again. Now it can go up to new highs maybe. probably ending up doing it, but I don't care. I'm not in it anymore. I'm happy. I made exactly $450 in 30 seconds. So I basically entered at 11:37.05, right, at 75 cents. I sold my first one at 11:37.40 and 115, and my second one, which is 5 contract each time, right, at 11:38.05 for 125. If you do the math over here, 75, 125, 115, you add up, you divide all that stuff by the amount of contract, is 60%, right? So $450 in legit, a total of 1 minute, 37.05. I legit sold 1 minute apart, 38.05, or half of that in basically 35 seconds, right? From 37.05 to 37.40. So that's it, guys. $450 in 1 minute. That is, I think, my the fastest I ever made money in under 1 minute. So I'm pretty happy, pretty stoked. That's it. If you wanna, and look at this, we're now going higher. And one of my contract now, 95. So yeah, when I saw that huge pop, I'm like, there was no way, those contracts gonna explode up that fast, right? So that's why I decided to sell. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any question about trading, your mindset especially, feel free to book a one-on-one session with me. I'm happy to help. CoachYoann.com, that's where it's at. If you like that video, please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.